reference sa confidential funds at sinabi mo earlier itong MOOE, maintenance and other expenses are dapat kasama sa regular funds, hindi confidential funds, Mr. Witness.
Yes po, ma'am.
At meron dito sa bottom portion, signature. In all three documents, there is a signature appearing thereat. Pakitingin ng signature na yan.
What particular portion po yung tinutukoy niyo, ma'am?
In the bottom portion, Mr. Witness. Flashed on the screen.
Who certified the document, Mr. Wamil?
Based on these documents po, sinertify po ni Secretary and Vice President Sara Duterte yung Box B ng liquidation reports.
For all 3 quarters.
Yes, Your Honor.
You may proceed, Counsel.
What is the significance? Ano ang nakikita mong signature dito? Signature ni Vice President, tama? Sa 3 quarters?
Based on these documents, yes, ma'am.
Based on this document. Ano naman ang significance? Ano ang importance ng nakikita natin na signature ng President, Vice President dito sa 3 liquidation documents na pinakita mo sa court?
Sinertify po ni Vice President Sara Duterte sa liquidation reports po na ito na yung purpose po ng kanilang cash advance ay na-accomplish ng agency.
Ang sinabi mo ay sinertify ng Vice President.
Yes, ma'am. Based on these documents.
Based on this document, miski nakalagay sa particulars, Mr. Witness, na ang pinaggamitan ng confidential funds are maintenance and other operational expenses, sinertify ng Vice President at na ginamit ito sa confidential funds. Yun ba ang ibig sabihin ng signature ng Vice President, Mr. Witness?
Based on these documents po, yun po yung sinertify ni Vice President.
We now go to the next documents, which are accomplishment reports for the 3 quarters. And we will flash this on the screen, showing to you these documents for your memory. Again, Your Honor, these are stipulated documents for the prosecution. This is Exhibit P-1-16A, dated March 31, 2023. Likewise, Your Honor, we are showing on the screen another accomplishment report, which is P-1-16B, dated June 30, 2023. And lastly, Your Honors, an accomplishment report dated September 30, 2023, marked as Exhibit P-1-16C.
And respectively, these are D-1-21DE, D-1-51DE, and D-175DE for the respondent.
We confirm that, Your Honor. Thank you.
Noted and entered into the records. Counsel, you may proceed.
What is the significance, Mr. Witness, of these accomplishment reports?
Can you repeat the question po, ma'am? Sorry.
What's the significance of the accomplishment reports, Mr. Witness?
The significance po ng accomplishment report is that dito po nakalagay yung kanilang confidential expenses na pinaggamitan ng kanilang confidential fund.
And what observations do you have? If any,
On what particular period po?
per quarter. In the first quarter, anong observation ang masasabi mo dito sa accomplishment report na sinubmit?
For the first quarter po, meron po silang sinama na line item for na confidential expense na hindi po among the allowable confidential expenses under item 4.8 of the Joint Circular. At yun po yung payment of incentives for traveling relative to the confidential operations under the Counterinsurgency Program. Also under the Abuse Prevention and Control with Schools Program, under the Anti-Illegal Activities Operations, and under the Anti-Extremism Terrorism Programs. And also dun sa kanilang anti-extremism or terrorism programs, meron ding nakalagay na provision and of medical input aid which is not among the allowable expenses under item 4.8 of the Joint Circular.
Okay. Mga magkano? You mentioned here that the actual outcome accomplishments are purchase of information, payment of rewards, purchase of supplies, payment of incentives, traveling related to confidential information. Magkano naman ang amounts involved dito?
For the, what program po?
Yung payment of information. Sandali. Prevention of recruitment. Ito nakalagay dito, actual outcome. Nag-prevent daw sila ng recruitment ng mga NPA at komunista at leftist groups
Under the
sa
prevention,
eskwelahan. Magkano bayad doon?
for the purchase of information po, 2,470,000. For the payment of reward, 2 billion pesos. For the purchase of supplies, 2,805,000 pesos. And for the payment of incentives or traveling relative to the confidential operations, 2.1 million pesos po. With a total amount po na 9,375,000 pesos.
Para sa prevention ng recruitment ng NPA, ng komunista at ng leftist sa mga eskwelahan, Mr. Witness.
Under this accomplishment report, yes ma'am.
Okay. Nag-submit ba ng dokumento ang DepEd kung ano-anong eskwelahan sila successful?
Based on their submission, wala po silang sinamit na particular schools.
Okay. Dito rin sa column na to nakalagay, conducted surveillance in 115 areas. May sinabmit ba ang DepEd ng listahan ng 115 areas na ito?
Wala po silang sinamit.
At nakalagay dito sa item B, 100% successful daw sila. 100% implementation of activities without untoward security-related incidents. Itong activities na to, na 100% compliance daw. Meron bang listahan na sinabmit ang DepEd para dito?
Wala po.
Okay. Last column, reduce abuses against learners. Purchase of information, payment of reward, purchase of supplies, payment of incentives, or traveling. Pakibasa, Mr. Witness, magkano ang total na binayad allegedly ng DepEd para daw ma-reduce ang abuso sa mga estudyante?
Based on this accomplishment report, 10 million pesos po.
I'm sorry. What else did you observe, Mr. Witness?
Based on this accomplishment report, meron din po silang payment of reward na 2 million pesos for the counterinsurgency programs, 2,130,000 pesos for the abuse prevention and control within schools, 1.5 million pesos for the anti-illegal activities operations, 1,879,000 pesos for the anti-extremism terrorism programs, pero wala po silang sinamit na document evidencing the success of the information gathering or surveillance activities on account of the information given by the informer.
Base sa observation mo at sa mga sinabi mo dito, meron bang violations ito ng Joint Circular 2015?
Yes po, na-violate po yung item 4.8.5 of the Joint Circular.
Pakiulit nga kung ano yung item 4.8.
Yung item 4.8.5 po, doon nakalagay yung three conditions for a valid payment of reward. Una, it must be approved by the head of the agency. Pangalawa, it must be supported with a document evidencing the success of the information gathering or surveillance activity on the account of the information given by the informer. At pangatlo ay dapat directly related yung activity to the conduct of the confidential activities of the agency concerned.
Ano naman, Mr. Witness? Para sa unang item, prevention of recruitment, etc., 9.3 million. Para sa reduction of abuse against learners, 10 million. Para sa eliminate illegal activities sa loob ng eskwelahan, another 9 million. At para kumuha ng alleged mga information para i-implement daw itong mga programs na to, 9.1. At lahat-lahat, iba-iba. Pero ang total na naman ito, basahin mo nga ang total for the period February 20, March 30, 2023.
Ang total po ay 37.5 million pesos.
Eksakto, Mr. Witness.
Eksakto po sa cash advance nila.
Eksakto sa cash advance nila. Sa last page dito, and I show you now the last page, there is here. Approved by. Anong ibig sabihin?
Ang ibig sabihin po ng approve by ay inapprove po nung signatory kung ano man yung contents ng accomplishment report.
At tell us, sino ang signatory nito? Ang accomplishment report na to.
Ang signatory po ay si Vice President and Education Secretary Sara Duterte po.
We now go to the next document. which
Counsel,
is-
if I'm not mistaken, that's the second to the last document, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
The certification and then the AOM.
Yes, Your Honor.
Just so that we can pause for lunch after those two documents, so that we don't cut you off in regard to your direct. I presume you will be ending your direct after those two documents are identified by the witness?
Your Honor,
Counsel
if I may
person.
just, for expediency's sake, only, of course, if the distinguished opposing counsel would allow, since these documents are quite similar except for the amounts, we are willing to stipulate that the witness will have the same observations for the second quarter, the third quarter. Ang pagkakaiba lang po siguro ay yung amounts.
With respect, you're referring to the certification? No.
Sorry, the